You can design a structured lesson plan with precise outcomes, but if core concepts remain abstract, students will struggle to connect theory to reality. To anchor those concepts, you need concrete materials. Today, we will build a targeted, highly vetted resource library in a matter of minutes, completely eliminating the need to spend hours scouring the internet. This flowchart illustrates the resource matching pipeline. It is a systematic framework that moves from defining learning objectives on the left to deploying integrated materials on the right. Before beginning, you need 3 elements ready: a specific lesson topic, a clear understanding of your demographic, and access to multiple AI tools. By transforming a theoretical syllabus into a grounded, tangible experience, you provide the exact conditions necessary for actual student learning to happen. Step 1 is identifying the learning outcome. You start by writing down a specific, measurable goal using the action verbs found in Bloom's taxonomy. If you enter a vague topic like marketing resources into a search, you will get unworkable results. Instead, you must isolate a precise action, such as having students analyze a target audience. Now that we have an exact outcome, we move to step 2, determining appropriate resource types. You match the cognitive task, the verb, to the specific media format required. Procedural tasks map to video demonstrations, while analytical tasks demand research articles. Depending on the verb, you can draw from case studies, interactive simulations, short reference glossaries, or supplementary readings. Specific pedagogical verbs dictate the required media type. Guessing formats without an established outcome wastes your preparation time and confuses your students. Step 3 is AI-powered search. To guide BAI, we use a highly structured 6-element prompt that defines your context, role, task, constraints, format, and examples. We will run this prompt through a cross-tool comparison method. You must use 2 distinct AI tools because they possess different training biases. For instance, Claude typically provides deep pedagogical justifications, while Gemini excels at locating broadly accessible web links. Take your completed 6-element prompt and paste that exact same prompt into both AI tools simultaneously. Cross-reference the resulting tables. When a specific resource appears on both lists, move it to the top of your queue. That overlap acts as an independent validation of quality. AI is a discovery engine, not an infallible oracle. By forcing 2 distinct models to cross-examine a single prompt, you extract highly robust recommendations from the raw data. Step 4 is evaluate and filter. Before analyzing a resource's content, you must clear the immediate blight of AI hallucinations, fabricated URLs, non-existent authors, or entirely made-up titles. Your mandatory first action is manual verification. Search the web to confirm the AI's suggested resource actually exists. Next, we apply this resource quality matrix, evaluating 5 criteria: accuracy, relevance, currency, authority, and accessibility. Accessibility is critical. If an accurate article sits behind a paywall students cannot clear, discard it for an open access alternative. This 4-stage funnel graphic maps the evaluation process. By filtering for relevance, credibility, accessibility, and fit, you rapidly narrow a large pool of raw AI suggestions down to a handful of deployable candidates. The AI can suggest materials in seconds, but human judgment operates as the final quality gate. Your specific classroom context determines what makes the cut. Step 5 is attach and deploy. You must decide exactly where the surviving resource lives in your chronological lesson flow. Establish whether it serves as pre-reading, an in-class discussion starter, or post-lecture practice. Next, apply mandatory framing. Never drop a naked link into your syllabus. Always flank the media with a brief introductory paragraph and specific guiding questions, so students know exactly what details to look for. A video or article holds 0 educational value in isolation. It only becomes effective when you explicitly tether it to a structured learning activity. By moving systematically from a single outcome through strict evaluation gates, you build a highly vetted resource library tailored to your students' needs. This completed flowchart tracks the entire pipeline: outcome definition, resource type selection, AI search, manual evaluation, and final deployment. Save your structured prompts and your final evaluation notes. When you teach this same material next semester, you can rerun the exact same search parameters to capture newly published research. Your course is now populated with concrete, engaging media, ready for your students to access. Executing this matching pipeline turns a static list of topics into a dynamic toolkit, ensuring your lessons adapt directly to the current state of your discipline.